In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Mailchimp tags in just a few easy steps. Whether you're managing a growing list or simply looking to streamline your contact organization, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look over on the left sidebar. You'll find a variety of options there, but for our purpose today, you'll want to click on Audience. This is where you'll manage all your contact information. Moving right along, after clicking Audience, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, choose All Contacts. This will bring up the list of everyone in your audience, but what we're really interested in is filtering this list by the tags you want to combine. Now look for an option called Filter by Tag. This is going to be your best friend for the next few minutes. Click on the Filter by Tags drop-down. In this step, you have the freedom to select multiple tags that you want to merge. Simply tick off the tags you are interested in combining. Once you select the desired tags, the contacts associated with these tags will be displayed on your screen. Now that you have the list of contacts you want to work with, make sure to select all these contacts. You can do this manually or simply choose the Select All option for convenience. After this, look for the option that says Tag Contacts. Clicking on this will provide you with the option to add or remove tags, but today we are going to create a new tag to make our job easier. Next, you will want to select Create a New Tag. This is where you get a bit creative. Name your tag something relevant, perhaps combined tag, or anything that makes sense for your organization needs. Naming it something unique will make it easier to find and manage later. Finally, once you've named your tag, click Confirm to apply this new tag to the specified contacts. And there you have it, your tags are now combined under a single new tag. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip for you. Beyond just combining tags, you can leverage Mailchimp's segmenting function for more targeted audience management. Simply navigate back to Audience, then to Segments, and hit Create Segment. This allows you to combine tags using AND or OR logic, resulting in even more refined and effective audience targeting. Use these combined tags for better email campaigns and reach your audience more efficiently. And that concludes our tutorial for today. With these steps, you can now effortlessly combine multiple tags in Mailchimp, making your contact management more seamless and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.